When I saw that I'm accepted to study at uni at Kingston, it was a great joy. I chose Kingston because it is very unique. It's an excellent university. They cater for every level of nationality, and I have the opportunity here to do different studies. It's amazing.
The teachers at Kingston are really welcoming. As soon as I started my course, we had one-to-one sessions. Every student was allocated a personal tutor which they could see every week. The teachers really helped me to fit in and adapt to the new culture and environment. I think quality of education can clearly be reflected by the number of students attending the lectures. I think the lecturers were really engaging and the students really felt that. And that having that personal connection with the lecturers really made that experience special. Now I really feel confident going into the real world.
Facilities at Kingston University is really good. There are so many things in societies, communities you can join, and that will be a great support system during your Kingston years. One of the best aspects of the university is its location. In Kingston area you will find beautiful parks and a riverside, shops and bars, but also it's very, very close to London. I feel at home at Kingston because of the people that I'm studying with, and I believe the lifelong friendship has started from Kingston University.
When people ask me what Kingston's like and if I'd recommend it, I always tell them all of the professors here, all of the academics do as much as they can to connect their students to kind of the real professional world. But you also need to want to succeed. My time at Kingston has led to tremendous growth. I'm living in the United Kingdom as an entrepreneur. I've started a games company. I know that I am more confident now than I was 3 years ago. I'm better equipped professionally than I was 3 years ago. If you're willing to do the work and learn the technical skills you need, you will absolutely thrive at Kingston.